If you hate complicated routines and long workouts, then this one simple move that I'm going to teach you today will change your belly forever. It'll give you a slim waist for the longest period of time and you can fit into your favorite pair of clothes. My client tried this one standing move, which is so simple, for just 7 days, and the results even shocked me. Literally, no gym, no floor work. You can do it anywhere, be it your kitchen, your bedroom, or even while watching TV. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes and it actually works on your abs, your obliques, your waist, all at once. So let's begin with a simple and easy, just one standing move that is going to finally help you attain a slim waist. But before we move further, quickly comment below and tell me which part of the globe are you watching this video from. Just give me the name of the city in the comments below. So let's begin with the simple and easy move. But before that, we have to do a warm-up. And while we're doing the warm-up, I'd also like to tell you that I am going to teach you a simple variation of this very exercise for beginners, for intermediate levels, and for advanced level, so that you can learn all the 3 variations and get a slim waist just as desired. Now when we finish the warm-up, I'm going to show you that one simple standing move for beginners. We're nearly towards the end of the warm-up, so just hang in there. No giving up, no excuses. This is a play-along video where you have to do it along with me so you can see the desired results. Keep going. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Just about to finish. It's only 90 seconds. And well done. So let's begin with the beginner level of this very standing move. First, you have to stand with your feet wide apart, which is more than your shoulder level, and you have to keep your core muscles tight. That is very, very important. Now you're going to put your hands behind your back, your head like this, and you're going to lift your one knee but not to the full height, and you're going to concentrate more on the twisting. So this is what we are going to do. Without lifting your knee too high, you're going to twist. Keep your core muscles tight. Just 10 seconds more. And well done. Congratulations. Well done. Now let's move on to the intermediate level, which is also a similar level but slightly difficult because we have to now raise our knees all the way high to this level where our elbows are, and we have to touch it. Exhale while you're doing it. Keep your core muscles tucked in tight. Your shoulders should be pushed backwards. Just slow and controlled movements. Well done, congratulations. You have completed the intermediate level. Now take a breather, just breathe in, breathe out for 10 seconds. Now let's do the advanced level. Now that again is a similar level because it's one standing move with 3 different variations. So let's make it slightly tougher. Just pulse for 3 times on the same side. Yes, you got it. Yes, that's right. You're doing it so well. Just follow along and do it with me. Well done. That's it. You've just successfully completed one simple move to lose your belly fat, to attain inch loss, fat loss all at once. And the best part about this exercise, you can literally do it anywhere, like I mentioned. And don't forget to do it for 7 days straight. Follow along with this very video. Play it every day. But do give me in the comment section below, what time do you want to do this exercise? Whether it's in the morning or in the evening, what time do you prefer doing it? And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program where you will be given a diet plan according to your needs, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes, your work timings, everything, and easy recipes with video tutorials, then you can click on the link given below in the description and you can contact me, where a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor will be at your service to help you transform yourself. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because every week I bring to you such easy videos with exercises. And don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.